These are the shower enclosures available here in Cebu Home Builders. This is the square type corner. That's the price, 12,080, and this is the measurement. So what they're selling here for the 12,080 is just this framework for a corner shower and the door. So it's 900 by 900 by 1,810 mm length. This is the curb effect. $14,475. You can see it has a bath effect there that will catch all the water and straight onto your drain. It's not just the frame, you also buy the whole set here with a white bath type in the middle, and then you can close it like that. They also have sliding glass doors for shower only. For 8,530. Another type is the darker frame. So these are your choice for showers enclosure, and another choice awa to. This one is a corner curb for 10,125. So again, you're only buying the framework. The inside corner will be tiled or whatever type you will do.